Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary word in action video. Today's core vocabulary word is I. I is a pronoun, a word that we use to refer to ourselves. Now let's find the word I on different AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic on the TouchChat app from Sotillo, I. On LAMP Words for Life 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, I. On Snap Core First, the Tobii Dynavox app, the 80 full grid, I. Now let's use our word I for different functions of communication. I could request an object by saying, I want a unicorn. I could gain attention by saying, I see it. I could protest and reject by saying, no, I don't want a banana. I could use it to express my feelings and say, I feel scared. I could give an opinion and say, I think that's great. I could relay past and future events by saying, I went to the zoo yesterday. I could comment by saying, I like it.